Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to change the picture mode in your Samsung Smart Monitor. At first we need to go to the right to this panel here. Now we have to scroll down to settings, click on that and click on settings. Everything here we can do this with our remote. Here we have to scroll down to the picture and click picture. Here we have picture mode, so let's click that, and here by default we do have echo enabled, but we can set it either to movie, or standard, or dynamic. To set each, we have to click on it and then click yes. For me, either echo or movie fits me the best. I will set it to movie. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next video.